In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. This guide will take you through the essential steps to get your website up and running swiftly, whether for personal use, a business, or a creative project. You'll find this journey to be not only quick, but also straightforward and fun. So, let's dive right in. To kick things off, you need to navigate your browser to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is filled with inspiring examples of beautifully crafted websites. It's a good idea to take a few moments to explore these before moving forward to get a sense of what's possible. This can be incredibly motivating as you imagine what your own website could look like. Now let's move on to taking the first step. Click on the Get Started button. You'll usually find it prominently displayed, signaling the start of your website building adventure. This step will take you straight into the process, where you'll begin shaping the vision for your website. Once you've clicked Get Started, you'll need to answer a few prompts. These prompts are all about helping Squarespace understand your website's purpose and scope. You'll be asked questions like what your website is for, whether it's a blog, an online store, a portfolio, or a mix of various functions. Your responses here will guide you towards templates and tools tailored to your needs, ensuring your site's design and functionality match your goals right from the get-go. Next, you'll be presented with a selection of templates. This is one of the most exciting parts since Squarespace templates are crafted by professional designers and can give your site the perfect look and feel. Take some time to browse through them, considering which best aligns with your vision. Don't worry too much about getting this part perfect. Remember, these templates are customizable, so you can tweak them later to suit your exact preferences. After you've selected a template, Squarespace will automatically generate a new site for you. This is the point where your website really starts to come to life. With your new site ready, click on Edit Site to begin modifying its content and layout. This step is all about personalization. Add your unique text, images, and other media to reflect your brand or personal style. Play around with the design elements until everything feels just right. Before you wrap up your session, make sure to save your work. It's easy to get caught up in the creative flow, but remember to click on the Save button to ensure none of your hard work gets lost. This will preserve all the beautiful modifications you've made, ready for you and the world to see. And there you have it. You've just created a website on Squarespace. With these simple steps, your site is well on its way to being a digital showcase for whatever you're passionate about. Thanks for joining me in this journey, and happy website creating.